Creating engaging content for your business might seem like a daunting task. Here are 5 content ideas for your business. Number 1, using key personnel in creating content. So every business has key employees with interesting stories to tell. It doesn't have to be business related. Every employee has a background, hobby, likes and dislikes to tell. So this creates some sort of personal connection between the organization and the audience. The audience will give a face and a name to the organization, which on a personal level, which creates some sort of trust with the target customers. Number 2, listen to your customers. So basically, customers will tell you exactly what is they're looking for. So they might have questions about your products and your services, and sometimes they might have an idea of the content or the article they want to read and they want to engage with. So it's your job to identify what your target customers are after, what they're looking for, and then giving them that solution or what it is they're targeting or what they're looking for. So this creates some sort of interaction and relationship between the organization and the target customers. Number 3, share stories. So as a business, you should have an endless amount of stories relating to when you started your business and the lessons you learned along the way. So share those stories with your readers and connect with them on a personal level using your voice and personality. Number 4, use graphics and images. So this makes your content more readable and fills up space. Not to mention that readers are more engaged with content that is virtual. Number 5, talk about your products. So you can create a wealth of content that talks about your product's quality, features, and how it solves a problem. So follow me for tips on content ideas for your business.